These are the 5 main roles every production should have. Quick disclaimer, you can fulfill all these roles if necessary. It is possible, but not as fun. So number 1 is the director, and they're responsible for all of the creative decisions and working with the actors. Number 2 is a sound specialist, and they're responsible for recording audio on set and designing the sound in post. Audio can make or break your film, whereas the shots can be forgivable. That being said, the shots are still majorly important, so number 3 is your cinematographer, and they're responsible for how the shots look. Number 4 is having 1 to 2 actors, and they'll bring the story to life through their performances. And number 5 is your editor, who will bring the story all together to be a coherent, cohesive final film based on the director's vision. And a little bonus role that you can have to help the set run more smoothly is to have a production assistant. And they can be running any errands, organizing equipment, getting food, and just making sure that we're keeping to the schedule. Those are the 5 main roles that we'd recommend having on any production. Like we said, you can fulfill all of these roles if necessary. I will say though that the films where I had multiple roles on set didn't turn out as well because I couldn't focus on one thing. My attention was just spread all over the place rather than solely on the story. We've created a pitch template that you can use to build out crews for different productions. We're giving that away completely free. Just comment the word crew below and we'll send that right over.
Hey guys, we put together a free screenwriting mini course to teach you how to write a short film step by step. It'll also teach you the 4 basic types of stories, and we've included a bunch of guides and cheat sheets to help you along the way. Just click the link below to get instant access to the free mini course.